Hey guys, now we'll see functions in JavaScript. So basically functions are used when you do a set of tasks again and again. So how you can do it? You just say function, like you are writing if, you are writing for, same way you can write function. Then function name, you have a variable name, you have a function name. Function name, uh, I will say some functions, any, I will just say any function, okay, any. Then you have a bracket and this like this. So this is the basic structure of your function, okay. Function name, you write function, then the name of the function, parenthesis, then curly braces, open, close. So suppose how I can use it, I'll say function sum, I want to add to data or print something, I'll say console. Okay, so this is my function name, it's not console.log. okay, I'll say print only, otherwise you'll get confused. Inside this I'll say console.log function has been called, suppose I want to call the function and again and print or do whatever task. So you just say print parenthesis like this. See, function has been called. So whenever you want to perform any task again and again, just put into function and just keep on calling them whenever you want or how many times you want. See, I called this many times and it kept on printing function, print. Now suppose I have a function, I'll say console.clear. I want to pass some value, then print. I'll say print2, my function name is, and I'll say console.log val. So this val will come from here, okay, I have to write. So whatever you are writing here, you have to write same inside that, okay. Now you'll say print2 and you'll say 1. See, 1 got printed. So whatever value you'll give, it will print that 5. Okay, I have called a print function, that was this, okay. I have to call print2 function. See, 5. Print2 function and hey, so whatever I will send, it will print. So you can send a lot of values, you can send other values also like this, 7, 5, and you can just receive them here, comma 5, okay. Sorry, val2, you can just receive with any name and print that, okay. You can do like that also. Now suppose you want to return something, okay. So I'll say console.log, suppose print2 1. See, it's undefined because I am not returning anything. But here if I say return hey, this hey got returned. So whenever I call this function, this will got returned. Until then it was not returning anything. So this is the basic structure of your function in JavaScript. That is very easy. So this was all about crash course in JavaScript, guys. Thank you.